Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful little box that you can use for absolutely anything. I'm going to show you 3 different ideas at the end after I've shown you how to actually make it, but it was actually made out of a pallet. I've got a pallet in the garden for some reason. I can't remember even what came on it. And the husband was saying, oh, you know, I'll cut it up and burn it, and I was like, oh, maybe I could make something out of it, because I hate wasting anything. I always try to recreate something, and this is what I've created. And as I said, I've got 3 different things on there to show you, but you may have lots and lots of different ideas on what you could use this for as well. I've got something for the kids, I've got something for the bathroom, I've got something for the windowsill, so there's lots of things on there. So if you want to see how I actually made this little box out of a pallet, then keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So this is the pallet that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to cut a few of the strips off, and then that's going to be the start of the project. So I'm going to cut 4 of these. So these are my 4 bits of wood, and I've got 3 that I'm going to have all the same size, and these are 15.5 inches across. So this is going to actually form the actual base like this, and then this one actually fits perfectly inside here. So all I'm going to do is do some markings across there and cut 2 sections out, so that's going to fill the gap inside. So now we just have to glue everything together. I'm going to use 2 different glues. I'm going to use this as the actual main glue that's going to hold everything together, because it's going to be really tough and strong for what we need it for. And I'm going to use a glue gun so it just holds it into place. And I'm just going to do the 2 little sides first. I'm going to leave it about 2 hours so this cures and makes it all nice and strong, and then I'm going to do the bottom bit. So I'm going to wet the surface here first. That's just for the Gorilla Glue. And so I'm going to use the glue on here, if it comes out. Then I'm just going to put my glue gun on that bit there. So now the glue from the glue gun is going to hold that into place at the top, and then the glue here is going to harden, and that will secure that. So I'm just going to do exactly the same on this side. Now we'll leave that to set for about 2 hours, and then we'll come back to it. So this is our little box now without the base in. And I found out by just using the actual glue gun, I've got a better finish on here than I have with the Gorilla Glue. So for my next projects that I make with these, I'm just going to use the actual glue gun, because it feels a lot better, and that's really sturdy. And I'm pushing, no, and it's not coming apart. So I found out something new today, use a glue gun. So I'm going to use the base now. Just make sure that it fits over the top, and that is so snug. That's the back base. So I just need to glue this on. So I'm going to glue here, the other side, and quickly glue the sides here, and I'm going to fit it on. Gives you just enough time to put it all in. That's lovely, that is. So I'm just going to give it a light sand. So it's had a nice sand, and I've got this muted clay colour that I'm going to paint it in, and it's garden paint, but I thought that would be okay for actually in the bathroom. So I'm going to give it a coat of this. Now we'll paint the inside. My lovely son has just brought me a cup of tea. Leave to dry and then we'll have another coat. So this is our little box, and it's had 2 coats of paint now, and it's turned out really nice. Now you can use this for many different things. I'm just going to show you a couple of ideas of what you can actually do with this. You've probably got ideas of your own, so leave them in the comments below for what you're going to do with yours. So the first one is for the kids. Now you know how messy the kids are and their desks are always all untidy, but I've just got all the little crayons and the rulers. Always need a little notebook, so that can go in there. Paintbrushes, because mine are forever using the paintbrushes, and some scissors and the painting. Glue, because I've always got the glue. A few pens, stapler, sticky notes, and a chalk pen. So there's many things in there, and that's just going to tidy their desk up like anything. So that's number 1. So for number 2, I'm going to use some battery operated candles. So this is going to look lovely on the evening time, so the kids are doing what they want to do with theirs. On the nice and romantic evening, then you can put your 2 candles in there, and just some fake greenery that we can just pop inside, and that will look lovely on any shelf or any windowsill, and you'll get the beautiful glow. Don't forget, you can always put some extra little bits of detail on there as well. So that's number 2. So this is my downstairs wet room, and as you can see in here, there is no storage whatsoever. So this is the one that I showed you before, what to make, and it looks really pretty on there. And obviously the lights will come at night time, but I'm going to make everyone a little box like this in my family. My husband, my 2 boys, and one for me. And I'm going to put all of my cleaning products, what I need, and then my boys are going to have whatever cleaning products that they need in there. And so they can come and take this away, put theirs in, they can have a shower, and then they can take all their stuff away, and then I'll put this one back. So I'm making 5 of these. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to put in mine. So this is going to be my box, and it's going to have to be a bit girly. So it's going to have a bottle of love. Now I got this for about 50p a couple of years ago from Tesco. I think there were a few little things wrong with it, but I picked the best one. So that's my one there. It's got some eucalyptus flowers in it, it's got leaves. Some cloths, something for my body and my hair, some lotions and potions. And I think that for mine, it's going to be really good for me. I could put other things in there as well, but I think that's going to save a lot of time in here, as there is no storage, and the boys are going to have all theirs for their hair, and you know, as boys are with all their smellies and things. Yes, so that's number 3. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. I'm really happy about my glue gun, because this has absolutely made this really solid, and I'm really impressed with it. Try and think of some ideas that I could do and leave them in the comments below. I might make one, as I did the previous video last week. It was about my shed, so I might make a longer one, because I have a little window on the side, and I might just do put some flowers in, do some drainage holes in here, put some pretty flowers in, so that might be another video. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.